Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade buildings efficiently on West Game 2. First things first, launch open your West Game 2 game on your Android or iOS devices and make sure that you are linked in to one of your login accounts. Once you're logged into the account, go ahead and find the building you'd like to upgrade from your home screen. Once you do that, you'll see the upgrade button on the top right, click on it, and then you'll be able to upgrade the selected building. In West Game 2, buildings directly affect resource production, troop training capacity, research speed, and overall power growth. Resources are the backbone of every upgrade, so focus on farms, sawmills, and then tap on the upgrade button to upgrade your selected buildings first. Some buildings can reduce upgrade time or improve efficiency. Prioritize on construction or builder-related buildings. Research buildings that boost construction speed must also be focused on, so that way you will be able to efficiently upgrade your houses and buildings in West Game 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.